Welcome to Canada. Ayun si ate. Hi! Hi! Oh my God!
Somebody's full of energy, man. I'm telling you.
Kanina ka pa?
Kanina lang.
How are you?
Congratulations!
Someone's full of energy. You're like running down
To
the...
11:30 because I expected to collect my bags, everything.
Didn't I tell you 10:30?
Welcome to Canada! Ano bang ano to? Land of ano to?
Para lumuwang kami kasi ilalagay ko rin yung gamit.
Land of syrup ba to o land of leaf?
Maple syrup.
Maple syrup ba o? Taga Canada ka, te. Canadian ka, di ba?
Ikaw nga, Australia.
Basta, uy, ano kami, land of kangaroo. First stop, shopping center.
Ay, dali mo lahat ng ano, baby pa na lang kayo.
Toronto Premium. Ay, susuko. ano nila yung
Tingnan mo yung mga pinamili niya.
Not to inspire, but to brag.
Not to brag, but to inspire.
Ay, gusto ko baliktad. Naiba naman. Not to inspire, guys, but to brag.
Correct ka din, ano?
Kasi ang aking contractor ay
Sino?
So, ano?
si Ate Jojo.
Si Winston.
Sabi ko nga, magpalit ako ng ano ng career niya.
Sabi mo
Mag-contractor
pa,
na siya.
salamat kayo.
Ay, nakakilala po ako ng Canadian na contractor. Kaya nakapag-shopping kami dito sa... Ano pangalan?
Toronto
Premium.
Premium outlet dito sa Canada, di ba? Dumayo ng Canada para mag-shopping.
Oo. At unang araw pa lang yan.
Yeah.
Unang araw pa lang yan.
Nakakasawa na mag-shopping sa Australia, kaya dito tayo sa Canada. Kaya nga, di ba? Not to inspired, but to
To
brag.
brag.
Yun ang title.
Thank you.
I-title mo yan sa vlog mo, ah.
Oh, ano sinabi ko ngayon sa friend ko?
Oo.
Si Jollibee nakangiti sa akin, oh. Wait lang, Jollibee ha. Magpa-park lang kami. Yung ngiti mo nakakaakit, oh. Ala. Okay na. Si Jollibee. I love you, Jollibee. Hi, guys. Jollibee tayo. Bida ang saya. Thank you, thank you. Wow. Yum. That's it. Ano mo yung panay? Ito. Uy, may Pinoy. Matamis to. Ito to.
Sa Seafood City sila. Yan ang aming ano. Sige, ikot kayo.
Tapos, ano, na-apple pay ba dito? 2 months to pay. Kailan pa tayo, be? Andito nga pala kami sa SM Mega Mall.
Ay, sana. Ang ganda ng 360 ni Mika, oh. Love it. Uy, mahal yung malaki, yun lang maliit. Half price. Marami yan masyado, be. Baka hindi mo maubos yun. No, ito lang.
Sarap.
Huwag na yung malaki. Bala, kabusin mo yan, ha? Huwag mo iwanan yan. No, tuwan-tuwa, oh. Ang sinabing inom, tuwan-tuwa.
Wala kayong purple na lace?
Um,
Violet? Anong flavor yun? Ano, parang trifle, ano? Purple. May naantay kami. Baka palayasin na naman kami. Pinalayas kami doon. Umikot kami. Kamusta, Gigi? Sige. Alam mo bang, marami tayong chikada. Plan B talaga ako. Pwede mo sabi yung plan B. Hindi namin nagigets yung plan B. Sige lang. Walang dumating na mga orders ko. Gusto ko kang Canada. Sisi, ilang buwan ka dito? Ba't ang dami yung bet-bet? Sige, sige, ano mo?
Ano lang kung ano yung pinasok ko? Uy,
Kasi naman kasi sa ulo ko. Alcoholic ka masyado eh.
Kaya ba, Kasha?
Kaya yun. Edmonton, not Calgary. Welcome on board. Philippines! Philippines! Yay!
No, we parked over there.
Okay, bye!
Mandarin! Mandarin! Bye guys! Enjoy your last night being as a couple, partner. Tomorrow, ate! Magpapasakal ka na. Magpapasakal ka na bukas, ate. Who's that lucky guy? That guy.
Thank you for coming. You're so special. You made everyone very lively.
Oy, sleep well ha? Sleep well. Magano ka? Kailangan fresh ka. Hindi ka namin papapasukin bukas sa kwarto kapag di ka fresh ha. Kailangan. Wala pa siyang alak ha, bukas. Bye everybody.
Doris is going to be cutting a rug tomorrow.
We're taking Ubers.
Baby, you need help, baby. Akin na isa.
Ako kasi sanay ako mag-
Kaya nga. Kulit na ito eh. Hindi.
Alam mo ba?
Exactly, mabigat. Tara na, iwanan natin sila, baby. Bye, baby! Bye, Mandarin! We're gonna have some drink until tomorrow. Alam kami. We are now after dinner and tomorrow, big day! Big day tomorrow. Yeah! Very big! Baby, tara na. Ate, meron ka pang ano ha, few hours to change your mind. Desidido ka na ba talaga?
Nasabihan ko talaga to. Start gagawin ko na yung mga...
Itigil ang kasal! Ganda ni ate. Ate, okay na yan. Pwede na yan. Hi everybody!
Dito. Ito yung sinasabi ng boss ko naman.
Ang aming driver at ang aming bride. At ako'y nininervyos, hindi lang halata. Hindi ko alam kung kakapit ako ng mahigpit.
Boy, mas magaling pa yan sa akin. Ilang taon na yan dito.
Kaya nga kumapit ako yung ikaw yung driver din. braso to braso. Diba? Team itim at team puti.
Sorry, man, sorry.
Best times in my anomaly, and
The couple selected two very beautiful readings for their wedding ceremony. The first
One more time, we missed that. Romeo and Renzo. Romeo and Renzo. The groom is calling. good sign. But for now, we're going to go for speech. The first person that we're going to call is Steven Sharp.
Congratulations, Ate Jojo! Cheers! Nice! Yeah.
That's why we're gonna...
Andito na kami sa downtown. Hey guys, we are here in CN. We're gonna watch a movie or no? Ano? It's the tallest building here in Canada City. Ano sila? Hi! Ganda. The tour, CN Tower. That's what we call that. CN Tower. Uy, shopping! May shopping dun sa baba. Ate, paano hindi ako mahilig magbasa? Hindi ako mahilig magbasa. So, minsan pag ganyan, dyan kami nadi-delay. Basahin niya lahat yan. O, diba lahat magbibideo? So, nandito kami sa CN Tower. Pinakamataas na tower sa city ng Toronto, no? Tapos ito yung mga picture niya. Ayan siya. Hey!
Enjoy the view, enjoy the ride. 58 seconds to the main observation floor. You have the aquarium, you have the roundhouse, harbor front, Lake Ontario, and the Toronto Islands. Moving at 22 kilometers per hour, 20 feet per second. Soon, you will be at 346 meters high. If you want to go higher to the top, 447 meters high, you buy another ticket upstairs, $12 plus tax per person, and you go all the way to the top. The cafeteria is open if you want to check the menu. Washrooms are by the yellow and the blue elevators, and you have a glass floor in the center of the tower. You continue one floor down by the stairs to get to the lower observation. You will see there the original glass floor, 2 overviews if you want to lean over the windows, and the outdoor terrace. Also exit, once you're ready to exit, will be on overflow by the blue elevators. That's how it is. Remember, we are bringing you to
Sobrang ganda ng Toronto, guys. Grabe, kita lahat, oh. Amazing.
Yung sa city.
They're putting that down the center of the
Ah, so they're gonna extend.
screen. Yeah, they're gonna put that in the center. These
Yeah,
type
yeah,
of,
yeah, that one.
so
Like
it's
railway.
Yeah, it's like a train, tram. Here, let me hold your purse.
Are you guys going to jump?
20 push. 1, 2.
Okay.
Here, nothing. It's just stars.
You can't see anything.
Autumn. Tama ba, Tay? I think color ng autumn.
Autumn, yeah.
Olive siya. Hi, guys! Ang ganda nyo, ang ganda. City of Toronto. So, katatapos lang namin dito sa higher tower ng city nila. Kabababa lang namin. Ayan, Roger Center. Magkakatabi lang yan, guys. Yan. So beautiful, di ba? That's the city of Toronto. So na maglalakad kami papuntang Chinatown. So magla-lunch kami doon. Kayo mga kasama ko.
It's Bushoy. I don't know. Something like that.
It's Bushoy. Bushon. You know that
Bushoy.
That looks good.
Got it. He's gonna get it mine too. It's no, it's not. I don't think it's spicy. The funny thing is she's the one who came like
Really
of the religion beliefs. conservative, right? Yes, very.
I used to be a liberal.
Yeah.
I voted for Justin Trudeau initially. But after watching it,
Oh yeah, I did. Oh, Justin Trudeau. Yes, I did voted for Justin Trudeau.
initially.
And then I was like, huh?
yeah, exactly.
Yeah, exactly.
What the hell is he doing?
Huh? I'd rather have Ralph Klein in our.
Oha, oha! Welcome to Costco in Canada! Mag-grocery kami ni Sisi, pupunuin namin yan. Nakahanap ng forever si Sisi.
Ano yan, tatay ko?
So sa mga kaibigan niya dyan sa Pilipinas, ano na kayo? Mag-ready na kayo, magsisend na siya ng invitation for the wedding. Ang busy sa Costco ng Canada, ayan oh. Pasok kami sa Canada ng Costco. Okay, dito kami namimili ng chocolate. Meron na kaming Dubai chocolate, pero from Canada. And my favorite, dala to ni ate last time na nagpunta siya ng Australia. So ako naman ang bibili dito. Ang busy ng Costco nila. Kasi ano ngayon, Saturday. Saturday ba nga? Yeah, Saturday ngayon. Good morning everybody! Nandito kami sa Toronto Sign. So nandito na naman kami sa downtown ng Toronto. Ang ganda guys ng Toronto. So eto daw building, City Hall daw yan. Tapos may Toronto sign. Ayan, ang ganda oh. So nandito pala yung Toronto sign na makikita mo dito sa city ng Toronto syempre. Ang tawag nila dito downtown. Sa amin kasi city. See, ang aga oh, time check 9:30. Ang saya, grabe guys, ang ganda-ganda dito sa Canada. Nakaka-overwhelm, at least nakita ko na ang Toronto. So for now, dito muna tayo, then magbe-breakfast lang. Oh, ito ang Times Square ng Canada. Ano nga lang. Medyo madilim na ulan, pero okay naman siya ngayon. Ito naman guys yung Times Square ng Canada. Nandito pa rin kami sa downtown. We're gonna eat here. Walk of Fame.
A little bit, but not much.
Start na yung birthday dinner ko. Kaloka si ate oh. Ano man tawag dito? Pre-birthday, no? Yung day before. Ganito kalaki? Ano to?
Yeah.
Konti lang. Ay, masarap to. Nagawa tayo ng noodles. On your own. Parang dami.
Uy, may... Iba yung pinaka-ano mo. Huwag yung gato. Balik mo. Yan.
Little bit.
You give it to her. They give it to him. Oh gosh. What sauce you want? What's good?
Teriyaki.
Teriyaki.
Mild. Look. That's fun. Woo! Thank you. That's nice. Thank you. You're a real chef. Yum yum. Fresh cook.